Well, welcome back to Mr. Obsolete's Vintage Homesteading. Today we're going to be taking the wood that we cut off the tree here the other day and a few more branches and stuff. I'm going to get it all cut up into shorter lengths so we can process it, and we're going to be using it for burning out stumps shortly. So anyway, we've got to start here. And we'll come over and start taking these off the ground, and we'll finish cutting off some up here. So I'll get the saw warmed up and be right back. You can see the little Mini Mac eats them right up. Well, we'll start picking this up and throwing it out. Be back in a minute. Okay, you get this branch here. It's over and loops around. It's about 30 foot long. I'm going to get back over here and cut off a piece and start pulling it out. Well, we'll get on the back side and get some more. Well, that's why we use Mini Macs. These are really powerful little saws. Do a great job. Anyway, I'll get this wood out and get it loaded up in a bit, and we'll be back in a bit. Okay, well, we got a good bunch of the stuff out of there. Pretty good stuff. Got a couple more branches in here, another 3 branches I need to drop off of here. And I got the top of that over there, so we'll get that pulled out in a bit. So anyway, I'll get these down. Well, that worked out great. I'm just about out of fuel. Yeah, we'll get it loaded up and be right back. Well, we're ready to start cutting this up into firewood so we can burn out some stumps. But this sawbuck I built, and I actually did a video on it, but it's good to go back and watch our older videos. There's a lot of different things that we cover and stuff, and if you just watch the latest one, you won't be able to see all the good stuff we're doing. Now my little Mini Mac here again, I've talked about it quite a bit, but I bought that at a garage sale for 10 bucks and ran even and stuff, but wouldn't run consistently for the guy that owned it, and he got tired of it, and the recoil starter, he abused it so much it finally failed, and so I had to find one off a parts saw to fix it. But other than carburetor kits and stuff like that, this thing's been trouble free. I've had it for many years. So, but you can see how powerful it is. You know, if I had to go buy a new Still or something like that, $1,200–1,300 bucks for a top-handled saw, or you know, even if you did like an Echo, that's $400 bucks for the little mini saw they have now. You know, and I got maybe 20 bucks in this. Probably the best 20 bucks I ever spent. Anyway, we'll get cutting here, warm up the saw, and be right back. Well, there we go, the things that I need. Fast, efficient, and cheap. Vintage chainsaws are much better than the new ones. See you on the next video.